Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, like and also share. Today we're going to do today we're doing the update of Bolt Cashiers.
For those who don't know about Bolt Cashiers is an application where you get to make money online just by referring people. How does it pay? You're paid the first person you bring in to the app. When you join, you have to have a sponsor ID to join. So when you join, you register, then you activate your account. Activation fee is 1,550. So when you've already joined and activated, when you've already joined and activated the account, you start earning. When someone joins, you get your own link and your own sponsor ID.
So for the first person you earn 650, the second person you earn 650, the third till infinity. So whichever amount till infinity, that's
1, 4, 5, 6,
whatever.
100, 1,000.
You'll get 1,150.
Yeah, 1150.
Yeah.
So like me, I have over 1,000 people who have registered under me. But around 500 or 400 have activated. So all those 400, those are 1,150 for 50s. Then there are, what are they called?
Referrals.
Yeah, indirect referrals.
Indirect referrals.
When you bring in someone, then that person brings in another person, you get 450. So you can bring in 10 people, then relax.
Yeah.
Just relax. Those 10 people, 9 people from the second person
will earn you
450.
450 each.
From 2 people. Of like you, let's say I'm in. I refer him. He's my second person. When he refers somebody else, I'll get 450. Then he refers another person, I'll get 450 still. So there I've done nothing. I've done zero work and earned 900 bob. So you can just refer 10 people, then relax and wait for them to earn. Like me, there's no day that passes by without me earning. Even if I don't work, my referrals will do the work for me. I'll get 450, 450, 450s.
And on every Tuesday you're given a bonus if you're the...
Yes.
There.
If you, it's not, I don't think they just give top 5 earners. They
only
just
top
give,
5 earners.
No, not top 5 only, baby. I don't, because I've seen a lot of people, more than 5 people post that have gotten a bonus. So if you just earn a lot in that week, the next week
more than 5,000 or 6, you get a bonus.
You get a bonus. Like every week I get 2,000, at least 2,000 bonus. That's free money. So in total, like from the time I joined Bolt Cashiers, I know a lot of people ask why my withdrawals and earnings somebody else just screamed, why my withdrawals and earnings are not the same. My withdrawals are more than the earnings. I have 17,000. I calculated today. I've earned 17,000 bonus. That's free money. 17,000 free. I didn't work for that. That's bonus. Unbelievable. Like that's someone's salary, and I was given as a bonus. 17,000. Shit, that's a lot. Anyway, Bolt Cashiers, that's all you do in Bolt Cashiers. You just refer people to join with your sponsor ID or link, the direct link. Then you earn. It's simple. It's an application. You download it from Play Store.
But you don't have to download. You can use the link.
You can use the site. I use the site. I don't use the application.
Damn, that thing scares me.
Okay, so last month, the other video, the first time we posted about Bolt Cashiers, I had 190,000 Kenya shillings. I withdrew when you guys are watching. So today I'm at 400,000. You guys, 400,000 when you're still watching me. Man, what are you doing there? Join us, let's make money. I don't work, I've made 400,000. So from last month 190 to now 400,000. That's over 200k.
Three.
That's 190. Yeah. It's over 200k.
yeah.
Imagine you are going to work every day. Imagine. And you are waiting for that salary. It's not even more than 50,000. Or you are just there struggling every day going to look for jobs. Imagine.
Yeah.
You wasted over 100 and over 1550. That 1550 you could have just registered, sat down, invited everybody from your Instagram and everywhere.
Workplace, whatever
Yes.
you want.
Everywhere. Your family, your whole family.
Yeah.
My whole family is in bulk cashiers. Hey, you're not going to be in my family and not help me make money.
Yeah.
And you're not going to be in my money and watch me make money. You have to make money too. How you in my family and
Join
not
as soon
making
as
money?
you want.
Yes, the earlier you join, the better. Like, if you join late, everybody will have joined.
Yeah.
Imagine now you have already joined late. Everybody you know has already joined. Who will join under you?
No one.
Nobody. Join early. Nobody knows about it. Inform them. You're going to eat all that cash.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's simple, easy money. And they are... So we are going to show you, today I'm going to show you how you withdraw your cash. I have cash in my Bolt cashiers.
Yeah.
So you pay, those who might be wondering and those who have been asking, you don't renew your fees. No renewing.
It's one time. It's only one
You
time.
just pay that 1550 and that's it.
Yeah, you forget
You
about
don't
it. You
renew.
only refer people. After
Yeah.
that.
Then what again? You don't wait for end month to be paid,
Yeah.
or end week,
Or time. It doesn't
don't
depend.
know.
You just
Whatever.
withdraw anytime you want. Fuck's
anytime.
sake. Hey, just make money like Arabs if you have the time. Refer
Yeah.
people and the money. Yeah. While you're
Yeah.
seated at home, you don't have to run for you. You don't have to sell things.
Yeah,
You
you
just-
don't have to get tired.
Yeah.
You know, I love this because I don't have to go anywhere. I don't have to lift anything. I don't have
You
to
can
write
earn anywhere.
anything.
You can earn anywhere you are.
Yes.
Even at the mall, at home, in a
Even this right
matatu,
now.
in an
Even right
Uber,
now.
whatever you want. Fuck Uber. Why are we saying Uber in this? They won't pay us.
Yeah, you should not say anything that's not going to pay. Anyway, so join early. You don't renew, you withdraw anytime. Like when you refer someone, the cash reflects in your account
Immediately,
Like
yeah.
pop, when they pay, when they join and activate, the
you
cash
get your money,
gets
you
in.
get your cut, yeah.
You don't have to wait for 10 minutes. Withdraw it immediately.
It's less than 1 minute actually.
Yes, the cash will come in your, like after you've confirmed your withdrawal, you'll see the pop-up text up there. You've confirmed you've received this certain amount from Pesamoni. And they have certificates. They're registered in Kenya. They have KRA papers and
At our first video of Bolkashirs, we posted the
yeah, the papers. We are going to post the papers again here. You know, some people might have not watched the other video, they have watched this one. So we are going to post the papers here after showing you guys how you withdraw, how everything. And I'll take you around my account and see everything. When you join, I'll know you've joined. You can't trick me that you've joined and you've not joined. I'll even have your phone number.
And for the referrals, you can text on my IG at Coding. You can tell me if you want referrals, but only for the first 5 people only. Only 5 people. And it's when you've activated the account, that is.
Okay, but I'm giving out 500 bob. So you won't have to activate it 1550. You'll have activated with 1000. So after you activate, DM me at Queen Watts. I'll send you immediately 500 bob. First 10 or first 5?
First 5.
First
First 5
5
only.
people.
First
Yes.
5 on me referrals, first 5 on her, and 500 cash.
Yes, 500. I'll M-Pesa you. That's a promise.
Yeah.
I'll M-Pesa and screenshot it and post it on my Instagram.
I will post your
I do
link
that.
on my IG on the stories. So if you activate on my account, I'll post your link on my account. Then you'll see your link. Then your friends or anyone who wants to activate will see your account on mine. Then they'll swipe up. Then they'll activate. Yeah. Then you'll get your referrals. Maybe more than 2 actually.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you like
You'll
10
get
people
even
can
more than
swipe up.
Yeah. And activate on your account.
I get like over 100 swipe ups. So if I post your link there, You're so lucky.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you guys so much.
Don't forget to subscribe,
Like
and also share.
Get the This is today's earnings. You can see it's my account. There's my name, there's my sponsor ID. Here are my earnings. As I said, my earnings are higher than my withdrawals. So you can tell my withdrawals, my earnings, and I already have these to withdraw. So you go, it already has my number, so withdraw 9,000. How much was it again? So withdraw 9,600. Withdraw. Uh-huh. 9,600. Okay. When you say you want to withdraw, they send you a wallet pin. That's like your M-Pesa pin, but they give you a new one every time you want to withdraw. That makes it safer for you. Nobody can steal your cash, nobody can withdraw with a different number. And there, the M-Pesa message is here. I've just withdrawn right now. Yeah. Oops. You can see you've received 9,600 M-Pesa money just now. So let me go back home. There, only have 6, but the cash is gone. So again, you can see my earnings are way too high. My withdrawals are way too high than my what are they? Earnings. Then here is where you see the people. Networks. My networks is the people who have activated under you. I can know everybody. Let me look at my screen. There. I can know everybody. And again, those who register under your link but don't activate, here they are, all of them. Those who activate, you can see active, not active, not active, not active, not active. Those are the people who haven't activated. I have over 1,300 people under me, so I can know who have activated, their IDs, their emails, their numbers. I can know everything. So go back if you want to know the people who joined under you, those who activated, like those who activated today. Go to my transactions, then earnings, and here the people who activated directly, their ID. I can see the date and time they activated and the amounts. For 50, those are indirect referrals. That's somebody who was brought in with somebody else. Yeah, there. Then what else? What else do you need to know? Withdrawals. You guys can confirm my withdrawals. I've just withdrawn 9,600 right now. Here's the time. I have 4,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 11. I have a lot of pages because I've been here for a long time. You can see everything. This is randomly every page. My withdrawals, the dates, time, everything. Go back home. You can actually send someone cash. Like if that 9,000 I wanted to send it to someone, I could just put their sponsor ID here and the amount I want, then I send, then I get my pin. You can withdraw to your bank. If you don't want to withdraw to your M-Pesa, you can put in the bank details right here and withdraw to your bank. That pop-up keeps showing up every time. It's a reminder of how you pay. Then that's all, I think. So when you join, the most important thing is this link. You just copy it all. Then you just copy, then you paste it to anybody. Then you have, this is another important thing, your ID, sponsor ID. You can change your password. You can do it if you want. You can deposit from your bank, deposit from your mobile. You can change a lot of things. There is the bronze package, but I haven't activated the bronze. When I try it out, guys, I will show you. I'll tell you how it works. So that's it. You can confirm the cash came in. Now why is Safaricom not making money? I've really done a lot of transactions. So thank you guys so much. If you have any more questions about Bolt Cashiers, just DM me at QueenWatts. That's the Watts, then at QueenWatts. I'll answer you. Jane, get the giveaway from Codain or me. We're going to post both our links and sponsor IDs.